entire life we work really hard to find out few moments which can make us really happy. And I feel lucky to witness that kind of happiness in everyone's eye when I visited Delhi Times Fashion Show, being invited by LPU. Lovely professional university, LPU, and especially its fashion team, surprises me always. Either I am visiting the college or in this time in the fashion show. I'll honestly accept that I never seen the backstage hard work ever. And this time, thanks to LPU, that I witnessed that how much work goes behind. We just see a 5 or 10 minute show, but it's actually 5-10 days or even more days hard work to bring that 5-10 minutes on the stage. I felt it will be a good experience for all the fashion aspirants to see, to understand, to acknowledge this hard work which these students are doing. That's why I'm showing you the backstage preparation, the makeup, all the rehearsals, planning, and then the actual show. And you will notice that all the professors are involved, whole team of fashion designer there, and they are involved completely with student for all the nitty-gritty. And also the team for placements, they are also there, and they are actually coordinating with the industry so that all these students get placed properly, though few of them are already placed. So now you will understand when it is about fashion why I say about LPU so loudly, because many of you has commented that these colleges might have paid me, but unfortunately if it is only for payment, I had a lot of options. It's for you that I am trying to guide all the students that which is good and where you should go to get a good life after the graduation.
Being born and brought up as in Bengali, Tagore has played a very vital role in my life, and that's why that is the inspiration that I've taken. That is Tagore's manuscripts. So Tagore had this manuscript where there were doodlings out in it, and there was a very beautiful thought process in it, and that is whenever he used to make any mistakes in it, he used to scribble those words and make an art out of it. The concept behind doing this is it was giving a second chance to those words. Like if you can't be a part of my writing, then be a part of my art. With this concept, I have correlated my concept of second chance.
Too much noise. Main thing is this is your design.
Yeah.
Exactly, and you have spent 6 months to do this design.
Hello everyone, my name is Arneet and I'm a student of Lovely Professional University since 2016. I've done my graduation from here and currently I'm pursuing a Masters of Design, and it has been a tremendous 6 years of learning from this institute, and they have given us ample of opportunities to explore and to come in front and show our capabilities, just like Delhi Times Fashion Week. This is the second time we are coming here and showcasing our talent, and I think this is the best opportunity and exposure that we are getting here.
So it'll be a great amount of fun when the industry turns up tomorrow. As most of the industry guys who are coming have already hired designers, girls, and
Designers from LPU,
all designers from LPU.
They're passed out or already
They've all
studying?
passed out. So this is their passing out show, basically, the final collection that they're doing. And now they have also finished the internships, so now they'll be going and working in the industry. In fact, there's a company called New Times. So what I was telling them, I said, great that you people are going to do a show for Delhi Times, and then onward you go and join New Times.
It's an area where they are actually doing all the fittings, alteration, and the arrangement with models, the rehearsal, the stage rehearsal. All of these are going on. Now, whatever I learned that after all this stage rehearsal, now it is the alteration part. After that, they will check the accessories and all. There's a lot of work going on. And that's the purpose for me to show you this, that when you think of become a fashion designer, many of you doesn't feel that so much hard work goes behind it.
Hello everyone, we are here to participate at Delhi Times Fashion Week for all the beautiful garments that our students has created. So now this is one of the biggest platforms that we are giving it to students, which is a national level platform. We want our students to know the entire process of the fashion show. It's just not on the ramp, but how a garment is made for a complete semester and then how it is presented in front of the audience. And the student has experienced one of the best part which is not possible at any institute. This is only possible when you are in the national platform or in a professional platform. This is the second time we are participating in this Delhi Times Fashion Week, and now this is the right platform now for our students to explore and see what best can be given as per the industry need.
Delhi Times Fashion Week. So we have LPU students with us. Let us see and ask them how is their experience in this fashion week.
I'm so excited because I have to make some experience again for fashion show, and I'm so happy. And I want to thanks to my department and fashion and LPU to give me this opportunity to present myself. I'm so happy. Thank you.
This is the second time we came here. This time it's all new. We are putting everything which is for a fresh start after COVID. So we think people will love it because we loved what we created and we are excited to show it to you.
Yeah. So here myself Shweta Chauhan, and I'm the professor here from last 5 years here. With the students here we can see our students working with them. It's really make us close, and plus here we come up with the new trendy silhouettes and the neon earthy colors. So it's really trendy and newness which we bring with us. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Tanya. I'm B Design student from Lovely Professional University. It's a great experience to be a part of Delhi Fashion Week. Overall, I'm very excited to be a part of this.
I'm a student of Masters of Design, and I've gone through the same process in my bachelor's. It's a very creative process, and the mentors we have, they've always been so supportive and creative with us that we love this journey and we enjoy a lot, and we're so excited to be here. Thank you.
Okay, I just want to ask you all that just recently NIFT results have come out, and many students have not got in NIFT. Might like their rank is low, and if they are not got, you think that LPU will cover their like they can come to LPU instead of going to NIFT. So, what is your thoughts about it?
I think at the end of the day, it's not about the college, it's about the education we are getting. And LPU is working hard day and night to get that progress that every designing student aspire. And I think as a student of LPU, I am going to do great and I have that confidence. And yeah, that's all. I think at the end of the day, it does not matter that which college you're going to. But all I can say as an LPU student that I'm going to do great with all the experiences that I've gathered from LPU. Thank you.
Personally, I'm so happy because when I come to LPU, I don't know how to draw. I don't know anything in fashion, but now I'm so happy because I have learned so many times, and now I'm confident and I know how to make the whole process to make the garment or the different. I have a good professor in LPU, and the staff is very intentional. I'm so happy for that.
I would like to share my experience. Though I did my graduation from LPU, I got placed in a luxury fashion brand. I worked there. I came back for the masters just because the reputation of LPU, and I know I will grow in life with them. So yeah.
Thank you everybody, and best of luck for the fashion week, and I think you will rock the ramp. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We are ready for
from Lovely Professional University. It is very happy to be part of this event of Daily Times Fashion. Our students are participating in this event for the second time in a row. And I've seen the students work. They're so enthusiastically prepared for participating in this event. And I'm sure the kind of enthusiasm they are showing, the kind of zeal with which they have prepared themselves, they are going to get humongous amount of exposure in this. And the environment is actually very charged, and I can see everybody is so happy and enthusiastic. I think seeping into this environment in itself is great inspiration for the students. And I'm sure meeting a lot of fashion designers, meeting the models, working backstage, presenting their own, garments in front of dignitaries and fashion designers. I think it is going to open up their minds to a bright future that they see for themselves. And I think we'll continue to be part of this. And I wish all the students very well and wish them a very wonderful career ahead.
With LPU is that we have so many disciplines. For example, in design itself, apart from fashion, we have product design, industrial design, furniture design, interior design, apart from architecture and town planning. And then we have multimedia, where we have graphic design, game design, we have fine arts, applied art, and within fine art we have sculpture, painting, you have what you call the woodcut, printmaking. Look at the variety, apart from all engineering departments. So, if you look at it's a kind of museum that you have in fine arts. When students look at paintings and look at everything and look at different attires, we have Africans who are wearing the full gown kind of dress. So it gives you very different kind of ideas. So that environment of LPU is very inspiring. And of course, green and neat and